Hiya. So we've done a little bit more work. I'm going to take you down in one sec just to give you a bit of a closer look. I've still got to do this main area with some kind of tarmac or concrete, but that will obviously come in probably later in this video. But yeah, I'll show you a closer look. Right, so we can see I've added a fence. Just gonna pan you around a little bit. So the fence starts at the edge there, goes along, there's a gate there, and then there's a bit of a recess. I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to put in there. And there's another little gate there, which I've just got to stick the post back in. And then it runs to the edge here. So at the edge here I've put some, excuse the paintbrush, you can see the girder front edge along there now as well. So I've put some undergrowth and things like that, a couple of random bushes. Ignore the two posts there, they're just what I've cut off this fence, so they'll be removed. So while I was doing the static grass, I did the sort of layering technique, and I've made the bit in the corner look a little bit more green rather than sort of dead brown. Added some tones in there and things like that. And along the back I've added some bushes all the way along. I've actually gone right round the side here. And as you can see, I've added this tree here. And all the trees on here at the moment are totally homemade by me. It's a little bit glossy, so I might put something on that and dull it down a little bit. But yeah, they are like garden wire dipped in latex. It's quite a long, drawn out process, but the effect you can get is pretty good. Right, so yeah, and I've got obviously some greenery along there, some gorse bushes and things like that. So the next step is the ramp. So this is going to go down to my main layout. So I've made a sort of a wooden frame. Thought I'd have a go at going over it with some plaster of Paris or casting plaster, just to see if I could get the kind of road texture. And obviously I needed a little bit at the bottom to step off the ply, equally at the top as well, because it didn't line up brilliantly, mostly because of how I cut it. So I'm going to do a bit of an experiment on this with some colouring and see what I can get. So I want a tarmac kind of area on there, and then up here, this is going to be an industrial estate. I've decided that now. I've already got one of the units ready to build, and kind of thinking it's going to be, might have a tarmac road going through it, and then where each industrial unit is sitting will possibly on like a concrete base, but I'll see. Right, so I've just applied this product onto my wooden / plaster ramp, and it's still drying at the moment, but that is the finished texture. That shows up alright, and the product is this stuff here. So it's AK Terrain's Asphalt. I've not really seen it used before. After some extensive searching, found some videos on YouTube, thought I'd give it a go, and it looks pretty good. It's not cheap, but the finish is, at the moment, it's looking quite good. So I will try this out. The reason I've done it on here is because I'm still not sold on this totally, so if I decide to rip it all up, then fair enough. But that's going to be my little road. Seems a bit messy at the top there, but I will finish it up. They also do other colours. I've actually got some concrete, and they do some wet mud and things like that. I think it's actually made in Spain, or actually this got delivered from Spain, because it was cheaper to get it delivered from Spain than it was to buy it anywhere in the UK, from what I could find anyway. So I will keep you updated on what this is like. Right, so I'm going to leave this video there because I'm conscious as usual that it's getting quite long. I'll put if I can, I'll put a link in the description to that stuff, where I bought that from. And yeah, other than that, I will do another video when I get up to date on stuff. So if you want to see the previous video, click the top link. If you'd like to subscribe, click the bottom link. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.